I literally am right now.
That one's in the video. Put them in water.
Wala siya ron.
Wala ma'am, may pwede mo po ano, booking mo.
Ha? Uyog ka na rin yung umiyak ko.
Hindi na kami ma'am.
Wala akong...
Ay, nagpicture pa sila.
Ay, darating ba sila?
Oo. Hinahanap nila yung bata. Ayun pa sila. Hinahanap nila yung bata.
Joke lang, ma'am.
Kayo,
Instantly blocked
Ah, sige, okay.
Saray.
Hinahanap mo lang.
That's it for my we're going.
Come on, boys. Ay, naku.
Oh,
Iba kasi nasa taas pa sila.
Asa mo tong kuanaw ni Alejandra?
Likas to nga, net.
Oh, here we go.
Pag-iasa sila. Sige.
Siya ko nga. Gitugnaw mo sa init.
Sukay.
Allah, look over there.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you, sige.
Let's get out of here, bro.
One way.
oh, sorry. Get in.
Hold it lang ga kay mo post pod imong mami dong.
Mm.
Inyong hydrangea din mo wala ang bulak.
Mag-find man ka kung 1,700.
Season naman na mo ang hydrangea dito.
This is Cecil.
Siso.
Dugay lang hydrangea.
You see it?
Totoo mamatay.
Yeah. I mean, barely. Actually, I didn't even notice until I said it.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell when it's daytime. It's like
Good.
Ginay
so
din na.
conspicuous, bro.
Ano ba? Kwenta ha. Sige, 1, 2, 3, smile, letter 1, 2. Dito lang, kamusta to?
Rick. My eyes.
Protection. Thank you.
Bebe, dito ko sa may kape ng... Tour guide.
It's durian.
You know what this reminds me of, people?
It's durian. That's what reminds you of.
Oh, shoot. One of those.
Have you seen durian catching?
Oh, I have not.
It's crazy.
Wouldn't that suck?
Yes, it does suck.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
The Minecraft cage and cliff update.
What's
we
that?
have cage and this is the cliff.
I haven't played Minecraft in years.
For real?
Yeah.
Bro, you know they added cherry blossoms?
I thought those had been a thing.
Yeah. But, I mean, I don't think you played when they were added.
Look, nice, dili oy.
I thought they'd like been a thing.
The cherry groves?
I don't know if I'm familiar with that.
You fake, bro. You fake.
Oh, boys. Sa likod po.
What is that? What is that?
A mango.
It's the mango.
Because it kind of looks like a mango. Because it's like a... You kind of look like a mango.
Mango.
That's a racist joke.
Mango's the mango. This is yellow.
The Mongolian. That's what they call me.
The manga. It's the mango.
Ah, I see.
The Domingo.
I knocked you out there.
Am I allowed to walk here?
Good question.
Good credit. Nah, baca pa.
Oh, nano kayo. Uy, careful dong. Dong, it's wet. Muddy dong, muddy.
I'm okay.
Uy, kita diri maganana dis kahoy. Tawag-tawag ka. Diri maganana sa sauna.
Elementary pa ta. Kasakta ta ana. Ato ta mga on sa ibabaw.
Mo ano ba na dito may pangalan nga Alejandro? Holy. Pinalakaw, inya pinaaray. Sige. Video daw ni. Just walk. Dili magtakiang. Kung makita ang ebidensya ani. Isa ba ni?
Ito yan, sa Picas Roses.
Ay, oh, roses. Mga may tukulol din.
It's like 3 million. Wait, is it actually like voice recognized? Like, did you like have to calibrate or whatever?
Nah. What do you mean? Like with my voice?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
If other people are close enough, they can do it.
Okay.
Like if they scream it at my ear. Yeah. But usually other people that are around me, they don't recognize it.
What about like
You can see the whole thing.
What about well, like, so how do you change it to like other things?
I don't know. I don't even know if that's possible. But
You should hike these set up.
yeah,
You know, fire beat.
but like in sharp. Ah, may isa.
Umana mo. Alejandro. Iyak. Pero na po ko dong.